Thank you very much for the opportunity of our coming here to assure you of our commitment. When we create awareness, I will speak to the VC after this and everybody to show that we are creating awareness that these chairs you need will be provided because you need it for your education. So I want to start mine by initial presentation of check of 20 million. For me, I'm bringing awareness that we stop discussing politics and start discussing development of the people, investing in the real areas, measurable areas of development, which is education, health, and pulling people out of poverty. And we can't do that without investing in the people. Governance is about the people. Service is about the people. By doing this, I want to ensure and create awareness that we politicians should abandon discussing politics daily and start discussing governance and welfare of the people daily. So by this, I'm going to be appealing to other people to say, well, listen, we cannot have a society where we spend millions to buy cars for political office holders and young people are looking for tools to go to education. Our schools don't have lab, they don't have classrooms, they don't have chairs, but we politicians are living like stars. It shouldn't be. We must dismantle it and invest in the critical areas of development.